Hello, um, guys. George here. Bit out of the blue and a bit spontaneous, but I thought today I would do a review of two Noble Collection wands and compare them with some replicas. Well, not replicas. Some cheap ones they got on eBay a few years back. So I've got um, the Elder Wand and Voldemort's wand, and the same in each of those. So I think we'll start with the Noble Collection Elder Wand, I think. So you can see it's in this nice sort of purple, it's like almost like a midnight purple box, and then it's got these stickers on either end, which is quite nice. And you take the lid off, and you got these curtains that almost act as a veil for the wand, and a nice again midnight purple, almost blue uh, thing in here. It's almost like silk. So get the box out of the way, and I will show you the wand. Now the wand itself is massive. Um, it really is quite big. It's the longest Noble Collection wand that I own, and it's, I believe, pretty accurate to the movie. Although size-wise, I do believe that the Noble Collection ones are all significantly bigger than the real life ones. But you can see the paint job on this one is quite nice. It's you can't really pick it up on camera, but the inside of each of these bumps, it's almost quite white. On the inside, yeah, you definitely can't pick that up on camera. But you've got this nice yellowish band around here. You can see the paint job ever so slightly sloppy here and there, but it's minimal, so you can barely tell. It has this really nice focus, really nice wood pattern throughout the whole thing, obviously, since it's trying to replicate wood. And you have, of course, got the Made in China sticker, or print, right there. Well, not Made in China, it's the, sorry, Noble Collection thingy right there. In comparison to this fake wand I got on eBay, this is, again, a few years old. I got this for Christmas when I was I think like 11 or something, so pretty young. And thus it does have a bit of damage, but it's got this kind of a weirdly nice texture to the box, actually. But yeah, it's showing obviously Dumbledore and Voldemort, and the incorrect movie title behind him, so obviously fake. But inside, it's got this kind of cheap yellowish or gold fabric that houses the wand. And I'll get the box out of the way again. And so this one is significantly shorter. In fact, I will actually show you the exact sizes of them by moving these out of the way. And I will compare sizes. That's what she said. So yeah, this is a lot shorter, and the wrong colour. That's the most immediate thing to notice. Do ignore these breaks in the wand. I glued it together again because I snapped it when I was a kid and I was an idiot. But contrasting with the sort of nice, smooth, rounded end of this one, you can almost stand this one up. In fact, you can stand it up. There you go. Again, it's much shorter. It's a lot thicker as well. The actual material, I think the closest to the Elder Wand, I think, is there, and it's the Elder Wand tapers down ever so slightly, whereas this wand, it does taper down, but it's very thick at the bottom. It's almost like a grey and black colour scheme to this one. It's quite unique. I actually do like the colour scheme, however, it's a pretty poor replica. And there's no band on this one. It's just these. Does obviously have all the bumps, but again, is significantly shorter. Now on to the Noble Collection Voldemort's wand and subsequent eBay fake thing here. But again, I got when I was quite young, as a kid. So yeah, I'll compare these two now. So again, starting with the Noble Collection wand, it comes in this nice box and has the same sticker that the Elder Wand had on the end. I think they all come with the exact same sex, except for Harry's, I believe, which has its own unique print. And it's in this nice black box this time. Come on out. And again, it has this nice felt, nice fabric thing, and then there's that black cushion in there that the wand is housed in. So we'll remove this and show you the wand. So this wand is very, very cool. Voldemort's is one of my favourite. I think just because it's so different and very evil looking. You know, it's very obviously evil looking. It looks like a bone. Unfortunately, there was a little nick there that I got when, well, it came like this, so it doesn't bother me too much since it's hidden in your hand most of the time. But I believe Ralph Fiennes asked for this extra hook on the end. So you know that's cool. It almost has the appearance of some kind of bird when it's upside down. It's quite cool that way. And again, it's got quite a tapered shaft. And then it comes to a point at the end, which is very well done, which is very, very thin, I do have to admit, so I'd be careful about switching this one around. And again, there's the Noble Collection print there, which is appropriately in black, this one, so this kind of suits it. It's a nice size. I think it's one of the shorter ones they do, so it's nice size overall. And now we have the cheap eBay one. It says Magic Wand on the top, so fairly dead giveaway, I suppose. And here it is. It is a light-up one, but that's the only replica I could find that wasn't absolutely hideous. This one's quite unique because it's it's very white. The other one was sort of an off-white yellow almost. But this is the wand. It doesn't have the hook that the other one does, but since technically that's not in the book, so I won't mark it down for that. And then this bit isn't as much of a sharp point as the other one was. This is kind of there's an odd texture along this side of it. Let's see if it will focus. You can see just there, it's like a weird, almost like railway track kind of design there, and it gets bigger actually at the end where the LED is. I won't mark it down for that because that's just the cheap design of the thing. Again, it has no print like the other Elder Wand thing. It's got this thing at the bottom, which is where you put the batteries in, and it's quite, it's very cheaply made, but what do you expect? It's an eBay one. So the comparison between these two is a little, well, I think it's a little more interesting, really, because this isn't actually a particularly bad replica. It's actually quite detailed. It does, unfortunately, the design of the thing looks like it's got shit smeared all over it. However, this one has got kind of a darker brown running through it, so I'll give them props for attempting to replicate that. It almost appears to be a different wand to this one, but obviously it is a replica or an attempt at a replica. It's slightly shorter than the Noble Collection one, which technically makes this more accurate to the proportions in the movie. But yeah, overall, I'd say that it's the Noble Collection one is obviously superior, but you get what you're paying for with this one. This is about £30 in the Noble Collection Ollivander's box, and this I think was £5 on eBay, similar to the other collection with the Elder Wands. The Noble Collection one was £30, and the one on eBay was £5. So it really depends on what you're going for. If you want a cheap kid's toy, just get that. And if you want a genuine, nice-looking replica, go for these. So yeah, that's my my review for today. I appreciate the video is kind of out of the blue, but thanks for watching, I suppose, and I will talk to you all later.